join me today. By golly, we're gonna do us some work on the rocks and the edges and stuff like that. So I've got some raw umber, some black, little bit of ultramarine blue in it, just to give us a nice dark color, okay? And we're just going to pull it around like this. See, just some random hits here and some random hits over there. Okay, just like that. We're going to bring it right out here to the edge of the waterfall. Okay, like that. Just like that. Okay. Now, I'm going to take just some plain water. Okay. I'm going to come in like this with just some plain water, and it's going to change the color and the appearance because it's diluting it. Okay, just like that. Now we'll do this to both sides until we've got it just where we want it, and then we come in with a credit card, and I've got my little X-Acto, and then what we can do is we can scrape like this to help actually paint what looks like rocks, just like that. Okay, and we will continue that over on the other side, just like that. Water's our best friend here. Okay, we just let it run. We're going to leave some of those dark areas just like that. Okay, we'll bring it all the way down, and then we'll do some more scraping on it, just like this. Okay, just like that. Now tomorrow, we'll actually get to work on the waterfall itself. Okay, so be with me tomorrow. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get all notifications. Leave comments. Those are really important. And remember that I love you, I love you, I love you.